Hoi An's main area, where to go. If you're wondering where the heart of Hoi An really is, start here, the ancient town. By late afternoon, the streets go pedestrian only, lanterns flick on, and the whole riverfront turns cinematic. Plot your loop like this. Enter via Tron Phu or Lei Loi for the best preserved shophouses, then cross to the Japanese covered bridge, Chua Cao, and wander Nguyen Thai Hoc for galleries and tailors. Drop into the Chinese assembly halls, Fujian or Cantonese, with a heritage ticket. You don't need it to walk the streets, only to enter select sites. Swing by the central market for Cao Lầu, white rose dumplings, and fresh fruit juices. Then follow the Thu Bon River south to the boat piers for a short sunset ride. After dark, cross to An Hoi Islet. The night market on Nguyen Phuc Chu glows with silk lanterns, street snacks, and little artisan stalls. Bonus tips: arrive 4-5 p.m. to beat the heat, bring cash for small purchases, and get measured at a tailor early so your outfit is ready before you leave.